So the first sentence we have, वो अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange. He talks strange. मुझे ये सब मत बताओ. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. बढ़ा चढ़ाकर मत बोलो. Don't exaggerate. Don't exaggerate. वो बहुत पतला है. He is so skinny. He is so skinny. ये मेरे लिए बड़ी बात है. It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me. पैर घसीटकर मत चलो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. वो हकला रहा था. He was stammering. He was stammering. मैं इससे परेशान हूँ. I am sick of it. I am sick of it. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. मुझे इसमें नहीं पढ़ना. I am not into it. I am not into it. मैं अंग्रेज़ी बोलना चाहता हूँ. I want to speak English. I want to speak English. आज तुम काफ़ी व्यस्त लग रहे हो. You seem busy all day. You seem busy all day. मैं अफवाहों पर विश्वास नहीं करता. I don't believe in rumors. I don't believe in rumors. इस झंझट में मत पड़ो. Don't get into this mess. Don't get into this mess. वो घर पर हो सकता है. He might be at home. He might be at home. कुछ भी हो सकता था. Anything could have happened. Anything could have happened. ऐसी चीज़ें मैं भी नहीं खाता. I don't eat such things either. I don't eat such things either. सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. जब तक मैं ये समझ पाता. By the time I could figure out. By the time I could figure out. हम हमेशा समय पर पहुंचते हैं. We always reach on time. We always reach on time. मैंने ये बात नहीं कही. I didn't make this remark. I didn't make this remark. वो मेरे सामने खड़ा था. He was standing in front of me. He was standing in front of me. मैं उनके बाद पहुंचा. I reached after them. I reached after them. वो अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाई. She couldn't control her tears. She couldn't control her tears. मैं दिन गिन रहा हूँ. I am counting down the days. I am counting down the days. हमने उसे बाहर भिजवाया. We made him go out. We made him go out. आशा है सब बढ़िया होगा. Hope it all goes well. Hope it all goes well. मेरी आँखों में जलन हो रही है. My eyes are stinging. My eyes are stinging. Now it's your turn. मैं अंग्रेज़ी बोलना चाहता हूँ. इस सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं. थैंक यू.